I fucking hate all people who think that Earth is not flat. Like, open your eyes, monkeys, hashtag flat Earth. Hey Marcel, have you ever seen any comment like this one before?
Wow, what is that? I mean, how is it possible that comment like this one is still online? I mean, it makes me wonder if there is any automated solution for moderators to manage their comment section. I see opportunity here, Ivan. I think we can do something about it. And I already have the name. I think we can call it Toxicity Monitor.
Nice, that sounds good. So, what will it do?
What will it do? So, of course, it should help moderators to detect the comment, like you just saw me, and probably give them some sort of context if the comment is in the discussion. What else? Probably give some basic overview of the whole comment section, as well as help with the automation of deleting process of such comment. But there is a small problem. Right now, I don't know how it works.
Well, lucky you. I know Mr. Banga, who is a business owner of IDNES, Discussion Forum, and I know exactly how it works because I spent some time with real-life moderating.
Well, lucky me, so please explain.
Currently at IDNES, there is 10 moderators going through tens of thousands of comments daily. That means they spend several hours every day by just sorting and deciding whether to delete these comments manually.
Okay, I think I understand. So it pretty much works like this, am I right? Well, let's be honest here, that doesn't seem very effective. I mean, think about the costs, the man days we can save, but most importantly, the mental drain it takes on the moderators themselves that need to go through comments like you just saw me every day for a couple hours a day. I mean, it's horrible.
Well, this conversation happened almost 2 months ago. And since then, we have made our solution. And I would like to present it right now to you. We are a team, me, Lukas, Marcel, Ivan, Misha, and Olda. And we made this. First of all, we need a lot of data. Thanks to our application, we are ready to import data and comments and users and articles from different sources, from different discussion forums into our database, where we can run our machine learning algorithms and AI tools to classify the toxic comments and display them on our website, where moderators can save time and easily sort these comments according to their toxicity, and then easily decide whether to delete them or not. Right now in IDNES, they only use filter for banned words, for vulgar words, and comments, including these words, won't be published at all. And secondly, they have a list of potentially dangerous words, and such comments with these words appear at the top of their table to delete them, but it's, as we said, not very effective. So our solution is better.
And as Lukas said, our solution is better, so let's talk about the benefits. First benefit is speed. We are capable of looking and finding comment like the one Ivan showed us much sooner. Our solution is faster, easier to use, and can be used with over 31 languages thanks to the fact that we incorporated DeepL translator. Of course, we focus mainly on the Czech language because right now there is no model capable of doing so right now. Second benefit, scalability. It really doesn't matter whether your forum has hundreds or thousands of comments, our tool will be able to handle it. In today's age of AI, machine learning, and GPT, I mean, there is no better time to use these resources for projects like this one. Third benefit is cost saving. After some discussions with IDNES, we know that it costs 200,000 crowns every month for them to monitor these discussion threads. We did some calculations and we realized that we can save approximately 20 to 40%. Lastly, but I'd say most importantly, the fourth benefit is making internet safer place. By quickly and reliably identifying toxic comments, we can stop the spread of negative behavior and toxic behavior on the internet, therefore making it a safer place. To summarize, our solution is faster, easier to use, it's scalable. I'd say we save quite a bit of money, and as I said, most importantly, it makes internet a safer place.
And why are we telling you all this? Well, we need your help. Our solution will not work without financial support, which will be used to expand our application to another level. We would also like to build our own AI model for toxic comment classification. Building application like this one doesn't happen overnight. That brings us to second thing we need, time. You can give us both. Give us your vote, and we will make internet safer place and let comments like this one disappear. Thank you for your attention.
Thanks to the Team 10. And jury, what questions do you have for them?
What would you imagine under "we need money"?
So we think we need about 500,000 Czech crowns to develop our algorithm that is tailored on Czech language, and it will recognize all the context in Czech language for the toxic comments.
Okay, thank you.
Building on that, may I ask, how do you judge the toxicity score?
So it's according to the model we are using, and it is a number between 0 and 1, which...
So it's based on some sort of experience the people who are doing it now have been using for a while, and you build it on that? Or?
Yes, in the model that is according to the data on which the model was trained.
Okay, and why is the range 20 to 40% of savings? Is it like it's kind of double, right? 40 is double, so why is the range so big?
It's just the estimate, so that's why the range is big. We thought that there is now 10 employees. After our solution, there can be only 5. So that's around half the amount of money. So, but our solution costs some amount of money. So we add this, and we arrived at 20 to 40%.
Can the money saved be invested into developing the solution?
Yes, of course.
So based on that, you will need less than 500,000?
Yes, probably.
Do we know?
So the 20 to 40% we save is around 30,000 crowns each month. So after, I don't know, 3 months, it could be less, maybe 100,000 crowns less than 500,000, or for 100,000 crowns.
So you're on a good track, in a way.
Yes.
Well done, thanks.
Thank you. More questions? Who has questions? So then I will have question. Although I have to admit I have some insights, but I would like to describe the technical barrier you faced before you made it work. So what did you have to do to overcome it? And how will you make sure that if you put it in place in IDNES, that they will be able to handle it. Whether they will need someone technically skilled enough to take care of this.
Right now, we are using DeepL, as we mentioned, for translating the comments. DeepL is a really good model and works really good for translations, but there can be some words which can be translated exactly from Czech to English. So our own model will be much better in this.
Yes, also there is much more words how to describe bad things in Czech than in English. So the translation isn't the best option, but it works now.
And if you make this, let's imagine you get the 500,000 Czech crowns, and you have your solution live, I don't know, in a month or so. Who else could use it? Are there any other newspapers who could use it? What would be your go-to-market with this?
Yes, of course, there are a lot of newspapers here, for example, Aktuálně.cz, Novinky.cz, and much more.
And we also hope that companies like Meta or Twitter today would use or would like to cooperate with us.
And have you checked whether they are using something like this? Or do they have just manual workforce?
Currently, they have also some models, but I don't know if you ever experienced a situation that you were banned for something that didn't make sense. Let's say you just posted a comment with bad words, with anything vulgar, and you were banned. So they are using something, but it's not perfect.
So thanks very much for your answers. Big applause for the team.